So this is the data set which we are going to visualize. So let's click on load. So first thing first, let's change the canvas background. Let's add our first KI, first card, hiding filter. Uh, in the fields, let's have total races. Total races. Okay. Now changing the effect. Let's have it white. Mm, okay. Let's stretch it a bit. Hmm. Let's have another card and another one. So in the second one, let's have total winners. So rename it total winners. Okay. And in the third card, let's show total teams. Okay. Perfect. Now let's do our first visualization and let's rename the page first. It's F1 overview. And also I was thinking maybe we can have the value as red. Hmm. Looks cool. Maybe category value we can also change. No. Okay. So now let's do one thing. Let's build our first visualization, which is going to be wins by driver. For this, we can use stack bar chart, and in the x-axis we can have y-axis we can have winner name. Okay, let's enlarge it. Wins by driver. Arial black, keeping it center. Visual, switch off access, switch off values, switch off title, and let's have it red. And let's change the bar colors to white. Similarly over here, let's increase the Let's increase this. Hmm. It looks kind of cool, I guess. So you could see Lewis Hamilton won the most times, then Michael Schumacher and so on. Okay. So now let's come to second visualization. Wins over the years. For this, in the y-axis, let's have year. Uh, so again, Lewis Hamilton won 16 times in a year. So let's just change the name. Let's do it by team. So Ferrari wins most of the times by teams. Okay. Now let's do one thing. Let's add a few PNGs. Hmm. Okay. And now let's add page navigation as well. Okay. Going to insert buttons, navigator, page navigator. Okay. Going to general. Hmm. It looks kind of cool. Now let's duplicate this page. Driver slash team analysis. Okay. Okay. And let's add a slicer as well, I guess. Let's add ear. Okay. Okay, that's it, I guess. And over here, let's add another PNG. Let's remove this. Hmm. So yeah. So let's do one thing. Let's now build our second page. So let's have team over here and count or winner name 115. Okay. And over here, let's have year and minimum 1950. Earliest season. Let's rename it. And earliest season. Rename it latest season. Oh, sorry. Let's remove this. Let's have year over here. And so, yeah. So now over here, instead of winner name, let's have team or circuit. Or we can have, yeah. So wins by team 249 Ferrari. And now let's change it. Yep. In the x-axis, let's have year. And in the y-axis, let's have hmm, or we can have teams by year. Or let's have a pie chart. It's too cluttering actually. So Ferrari, as I told you, won 21% of the times. So let's keep it very decluttered. When percentage. Hmm. So yeah, that's it, I guess. So, but I forgot to add a slice over here. So over here we can have, instead of year, I should have team. Which particular team? So as you can see, Alpha Romeo 11 times. So on. Okay, that's it, I guess. This is our basic multi-page Power BI dashboard. See you next time.